Here I have Realme Narzo 50, and today I'm going to show you how to update apps on this device. So firstly you have to go to the Play Store. In Play Store you have to tap here, go to the Manage Apps and Device, and here you all apps up to date. But as you can see, I'm all set. I have no updates here. But if you have any unupdated apps, you will have them in these sections. So yeah, unfortunately I don't have any unupdated app to show you how it looks like, but you will find these unupdated apps here, and you can tap on the update button next to them to update them, or you will have this one button, update all apps at once, and after that they will be updated. But it could take some time, I don't know, it depends on the speed of your internet, maybe 10 minutes, maybe half an hour. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.